So for today, we are doing a little bit more exponentials and logs. It's a review for the cumulative test. This day is going to be super short. I just want to remind you of a few things, and then you need to ask me individual questions if you want. If you want to go back and get the full review on something like this, go look on my channel under servervideo.com and try to find the review videos for this. All right, let's do number 4 together. Okay. All right, first step. That can be written as a to a power. Then your bases will be the same, and that'll be awesome. A to a power. What do you think for number 4?
A negative 3 minus x.
Okay. I actually tapped on somebody else's desk, but I think you've got it here, so I'll go with it. E equals a to the 5. All right. That is right. Nice work. And why was that handy? You with me? Yeah. All right. You ready to answer these questions? Does it look like you're working on something else? This is handy because why? AE?
You can just put negative 3 minus x.
Correct. Negative 3 minus x now equals 5. It's like those a's cancel even though they technically don't. Okay, good. All right, now it's easy to solve from there. All right, so that involved making the bases the same. That was from your exponentials test. Now let's jump over to a log question. Look at number 7. Actually, we're skipping 7. Everybody cross off number 7. You're also skipping number 11. Let's look at number 8. That's a log question. Whenever you see ln, replace it with, what do you say, sir?
Log base e.
Log base e. So I'm saying 2 times log base e of e to the 3x. And this is the SRS system. Simplify, rewrite, and solve. Can you, Mr. H, tell me how to simplify this thing?
So log base e of e to the 3x is just 3x.
That is 3x. And then you times it by 2 and you got?
6x.
So 6x equals 12, and I'd be ashamed of you if you can't solve it from there. All right, that's easy. So what did that involve? You needed to know to rewrite. You needed to know to simplify. In this case, simplifying is all you need. All right, let's move on. Number 12. KT, tell me what to do.
Rewrite it as an exponential.
All right, and that would be?
X over 2 to the 3rd equals 8.
Perfect. Next step. You need to put it to a power first.
Oh.
Power of, what do you think? You got to get the 3 off of there, so power of 1/3. Then that makes this cancel. Now I can do my multiply by 2, but what's 8 to the 1/3? 2. I just did a 3rd root. Does that matter? Nope. What if it had been a square root? Then you'd end up with a plus minus. You'd end up with an absolute value. But this was a 3rd root, not a 4th root. Okay, so then I just times by 2 on both sides, and I am done. X equals 4. What if my life depended on it? I would go in and check it. What if my grade depended on it? I would go in and check it. See if it actually worked. That's 2. Log base 2 of 8 is like this. And that's actually log base 2 of 2 to the 3rd. So this is really 3 equals 3. Yay, it worked. And you can know you're right. Okay, I don't want to bore you. I know that was 4 minutes and 16 seconds worth of stuff, maybe a little bit more. And I get the feeling you guys are all following just fine. Now, there's going to be a few people who are a little lost. You need to take responsibility. Come up and ask me for more help. So the cumulative test starts tomorrow, R2s. The next day will be the R3s. Okay, then we get Friday, and Friday you're going to have a top 20. So if you are done with this, if you're like rocking this and it's no big deal, make sure you have all 20 kinds of questions mastered. Because you're probably, if you're human, you're going to make 2 dumb mistakes on the top 20. And you'll get an 18, even if you know how to do everything. If you don't know a few things, then you're down to like a 14 out of 20, and then that's not very good. You don't want that. That's a C in the grade book as a test. Okay, so Friday's test, top 20. You can go to algebraninja.com/ACT if you want to see more about what's on the top 20. Okay? And you can ask me those questions today too. All right, that's all I got for the video for today. And this was today's date, March. You guys know what today it is? Today is it the... Thank you. HHA